Unlock the magic of Canva AI and bring your creations to life with this step-by-step guide on making a talking avatar.
I know you want to do a video like this. To do a video like this, you need canva.com, you need an audio, you need your image to be transformed to the avatar, and you need your editor. So let me show you how. First of all, you need to go to canva.com, and if you've already signed up, that's good. And if you haven't signed up, you can sign up here and you are good to go. It's free. And after that, you click on create design and you come to video, you click on it. And after that, you come to the left side here, you scroll down, you see apps here. You click on that and you use this search bar here to search for D-ID here, and you click on it and you see it's over here. So let's open that one, and you see here, these are some of the avatars you can use. And when you come down here too, here is where you place your text for it to generate for you. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to use our own image here. So let me upload the image that I want to use. I'd like to use this image. Click on open and my image is uploaded over here. When it comes to the audio, I would like to use a different app to generate the audio. We need to use ChatGPT to get our text and later generate it. So go to ChatGPT. I have my prompt already written. So I'll paste it here, and the prompt says a 70-word video description on how to make talking avatar using Canva AI. Let us generate our text. And our text has been generated for us here. What we need to do is to use AI tool to generate our text. And the AI tool that we are going to use to generate our text is Clipchamp. So let's go to Clipchamp, and it is also free. At the same time, Clipchamp is an editor. So you come to this first option here, which is create new video. You click on that and you have a blank space here. So you go for the second option over here, which is record and create. You click on that and you come to the last part here. You see text to speech here. You click on that one too, and now we are here. We want to generate our audio here. So this is what we do. We come here and copy the text we created here, and we go back to Clipchamp and paste it over here. So after I've pasted my text here, we need to choose the speaker or the voice. For me, I'll leave it here, English, United States. And I'll go down here and choose Andrew. So this is the person or the voice I'm going to use. So let's test the voice and say,
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Yes, that's a nice voice. I'll use that one. I wouldn't do anything here again. So I'll click on save. Now our audio is generated over here and we need to export it. So we have to export it. Click on export and come here for 1080p here and click on that. But remember, it is exporting in MP4 format. We will convert it back to MP3 because MP3 is what we need. Now let's save it to our computer. Let's give it a name. Let's save it on the desktop. Now we are done with the audio here. So we need to convert our audio because it is on MP4 format. So as you can see, it is MP4 here. So we need to convert it to MP3. So this is what we do. We go for this website, Cloud Convert, and we select a file here and we look for our audio. This is it. And we come here and our audio is done. So let's save it to a desktop. Let's click save and our audio is saved on the desktop. Now that we have finished our audio, the next thing we need to do is go back to our Canva and import or upload the audio that we generated. So let's upload the audio here and then come down here and select upload audio, and this is the audio we have generated, and let's use that. And now our audio is inside Canva. Now that we have our image here and we have our audio ready, select the image. Let's select the image and then come here and click on generate presenter. The idea uses credit to generate every presenter, and it uses 3 credits. So I have 17 credits here. I'm going to use 3 in generating the video. So the thing is, when you sign up for DID, they give you 20 credits. So any video that you generate with it or audio that you generate with it, it is going to take 3 credits. It is taking 3 credits over here. So let me click on generate presenter, and it is generating for us. Now our video is generated, or our presenter is generated over here. So we can stretch it like this, as you see here. I stretch it like this and it looks orientation. So you don't worry about the watermark here, it will do justice to it. Now that we have finished creating the video, we need to export it, or we need to download it. So you come to this button here, share, you click on it, and you come down here, you see download over here. You click on download, and here it is on MP4, and this is recommended version or format. So let's click on download and start downloading for us. Let's choose where we want to save our video. So let me save it on desktop here. So let me select here and click on desktop, and then click on save, and then click on download. Now our video is downloaded onto our desktop. Now we are done here. So the next thing that we need to do is to use our editor to edit our video. Let's go to CapCut here. This is a video editor we are going to use to edit our video, and you can use any other video editor to edit a video, but for this video purpose we are using CapCut. So what we need to do is to import our video that we generated. So you click on import and you search for where the video is. This is the video, and we need to remove this background here. It doesn't make it look better here, so let me bring the canvas down here. Make sure your canvas is selected, or your video is selected rather, and you make sure video here too is selected, and go for the second option, which is cutout here. You click on that and you come down here, you use auto cutout. We are not using chroma key, we are using auto cutout. So select that and you wait for the video to the background to remove automatically by CapCut. Now, as you see, the background is gone. We've removed our background. Now we need to add a nice background to this video here. So let's import our background here, and my background is here, and we select that background and bring it onto the track here, and make sure it is in line with this. And let me bring this one here. So as you see, this is my background here, and let me do some little adjustment to the video here. Okay, and let me background too, and I do this one in the background here like this. Yeah, okay, think it's trying to look good. Yeah, now that we have done, let's export it by clicking export and giving it a name. Let's say my AI avatar. And then you choose where you want to save your avatar or your talking head video. Choose that place and you want to save it, and you click on save.
Unlock the magic of Canva AI and bring your creations to life with this step-by-step guide on making a talking avatar. Learn to seamlessly integrate Canva's AI features to animate your design.
Now we are done with the video. Please, if the video interests you, consider subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you will be notified. And also you can share the video for others to benefit from it. Thank you for watching once again. Bye bye.